future while the sick get sicker. The profits from the people feed the poor another needle. The flames get bigger while the moths all shiver. They're subsidizing evil with no budget for a sequel. The Prozac's gift wrapped with a smile. The cash grab never goes out of style. Your flashbacks giving you a panic attack when your eyes go pitch black. We become the night where hope survives. We embrace the shadow, following behind. So come alive and take back your soul while we become the night. They pull the trigger like a cold hard killer, but then they play the victim to manipulate the system. They synthesize reality to sell what you don't need. They drain us of our portion just to paint another portrait. The Prozac's gift wrapped with a smile. The cash grab never goes out of style. We're cutting the